Hello guys, today we are going to the Minecraft episode 2 with Grand Warden. My house is done.
Hello guys, my name is Garwande.
What? Wrong pronunciation. Hey, stupid asshole. Tulog, sleep. Where?
My house. Okay, fine. Kasali si Steve.
My house is done. That is my house. And my sister's house is done. Made of
Your house, my brother's house is finished.
not yet furniture.
Yes, I am. My brother's house is
Ignore my
fully
brother.
furnished.
He's going to publish. By the way, I am a Filipino. Part 3. And I will put furniture in my house. Inside my house. And I'm finished. I just need to put some furniture. Like and subscribe. See you on episode 3.